Spicy. I love my aminos.
What are those?
Aminos.
Coconut aminos?
What is that, Bubba? You're biting.
California seaweed? We're gonna put that in the pad thai? Let's do it.
Today we're going to do a fully organic, plant-based recipe. She eats a lot. Okay, let's get to it. It's gonna be delicious.
That's what the chef points out. We're only going to use one green onion,
Okay.
one zanahoria.
Zanahoria?
Zanahoria.
Okay.
What I'm getting at is you're going to have some leftover food for the next night. It's going to be a few nights.
Okay.
Like a little piece of the cabbage, the coconut aminos, not even a quarter cup.
First we washed all this. Yeah?
Just put it
What's going on?
a little bit crunchy like these veggies, you know?
I like crunchy.
Too. So I just seared the carrots, the cabbage
Yeah.
with a light 3 to 5 minute sear
What's funny?
in the kitchen.
That was a good pour, night.
Look,
Okay.
I pour my noodles right over top of my seared vegetables.
Okay.
You see?
Coconut aminos.
3 tablespoons.
Okay.
There you go. Kiss it right here on your coconut milk.
Whoa. Okay.
This one, fancy here.
Coconut.
Stick to the basics. That's on the coat.
Do you want to go change your outfit? Want to bite up a carrot? Outfit change? Zanahoria? What did you say, Chef? Sorry. Okay. This is one of my all-time favorite things to do. Is when they exit the kitchen, I just go ahead and taste test. Really need a fork. Go ahead and taste test everything just to make sure everything's hot. It's actually fire. It's actually fire.
The outfit right too. This was way more of a special occasion.
Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous! It's
One more
gorgeous!
here though.
Daddy got you right.
Yay! Let's go!
Okay, let's get things. Come here, Baba.
What are you grateful for? Grateful for Tai, holding it down for us. Hey, I'm grateful for Mila and myself and unlimited fun and protection.
Myself and everything working out perfectly for us all. Thank you.
I am.
Sir, head chef, I was just wondering how it feels to be on full-time duty for this family breakfast, lunch, dinner, and all snacks.
Feels really empowering and makes me feel very strong.
Would you have it any other way?
I would not.
You feel like this is a Zen kitchen or like a pressure kitchen?
It's always Zen with me. Everything's Zen. I like the pressure.
So what do you have to say about pressure?
Pressure bust fights. I bet pressure makes diamonds, right? Isn't that how they make diamonds?
Pressure bust,
Makes diamonds.
pressure bust pipes, and pressure makes diamonds. So it's all about your attitude on are you a pipe or are you a diamond? Bars. What do you have to say about it? She's baby Lima, everybody.